Hi guys, and welcome back to Direct Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the Klasse sit-stand stool. So here we have the components laid out. We've got your 5-star base, the seat, then you've got your casters, drafting gas lift, and the drafting foot ring. So in this situation, I would normally start with the base. If you turn it upside down, you've got your casters. They've got a little circlet in the top which just clips in and locks in position. So if we start and just push down on the caster, they click in quite easily, as you can see. So there we have our base with the casters fitted, and then we can move on to the next step, which you get your gas lift. These are a tapered fit, so they'll fit inside the base and they'll lock into position once there's weight applied. So there we have the gas lift in position. Then we've got the drafting ring which fits over the gas lift. Just make sure that this here knob is wound out so that this gusset is released, so that it will go over the top of the gas lift. So as you can see, it goes over the top, sides up and down, and you just fit that off, lock that in to position that's required. So you've got that full adjustability. You've got where you can adjust the foot ring. So there we are, locked in position. And then we have the seat. We've got the mechanism on the bottom of the seat. It's already fitted, and it obviously has got a hole in it which lines up with the gas lift. So if you just line these two up, this little on the top here is the button, so that activates the shaft, and this paddle hits on the button and activates the shaft up and down. So you just want to line that up, sit it on top, and there you have your Klasse sit-stand stool assembled. Now it's always good just to put a bit of pressure on the top, and you might want to sit on it just to lock it all into position, and then you can obviously raise it and lower it. So that shows how simple it is to assemble the Klasse sit-stand stool. I trust this video has been helpful, and if you have any further questions, please reach out to us today. Thanks very much for watching.